Design a movable, posable paper figure in your image, celebrating your unique shape and style. Start with figure sketching. Students in academic art ateliers learn the rule of heads, which explains that the human figure is measured in standard units equal to the height of the head. We're going to start by learning the rule of heads and then learn how to break those rules to more accurately represent your own unique shape. The final sketch will be used as a template for creating a personalized paper doll. Pieces of the body are assembled at the joints using jewelry jump rings, allowing the doll to move. Finally, create a full line of expressive clothing using decorative papers, fabric scraps, yarn, and other classroom odds and ends. Let's begin with the rule of heads. To ensure the entire figure fits on one sheet, use a ruler to make 9 horizontal registration marks, spaced 1 inch apart down a sheet of 9 by 12 paper. Number each space between the lines. In the top section, draw a head. The second space contains the neck to about mid-shoulder. The third space ends at the elbow and lines up with the navel. The fourth space ends at the midpoint of the body, around the wrists and the top of the hips. The fifth and sixth spaces contain the top of the legs and just below the kneecaps. The seventh and eighth spaces contain the shins and end at the feet. Once a basic figure has been drawn, adjust proportions as needed to better reflect yourself. To create templates for the finished figure, cut the sketch at major joints. Sections to be cut include the head and torso, upper arm, including the elbow, the lower arm and hand, upper leg, lower leg, and foot. The arm and the leg templates can be flipped over to make both left and right sides, so only one from each side needs to be cut out. Use the segmented sketch as a template and trace the pieces onto 300-pound Arches watercolor paper. The paper is thick, almost like mat board, making it perfect for creating a durable, sturdy paper doll. Some segments, like the trunk of the body, will still need to be altered from the template and rounded off where the arms and the legs were cut out. I've painted the segments and cut them out. I'm using Crayola Colors of the World project paint, markers, and colored pencils to make the perfect skin tone match. To attach pieces, first lay the figure out, then use an awl or a push pin to create holes at the joints. Then use a pair of jewelry pliers to open the jump rings. Thread the jump ring through the hole. Continue attaching each segmented piece at the joint. Finally, use decorative paper, fabric, yarn, and other classroom scraps to create clothing. Create tabs for the clothing by cutting small strips of metal foil, approximately 1/4 of an inch wide and 1 inch long. Attach the tabs along the back side of the paper clothing using glue. For all of these materials and more, visit dickblick.com. While you're there, check out hundreds of free lesson plan PDFs, complete with step-by-step instructions and national standards.